Hello, students. Good morning to everyone. I hope all are fine and safe. Yes, today we are going to complete the second chapter linear equation in one variable. This is the last exercise of this chapter. Having 7 problems, in that 2 are word problems. First 5 problems are same method. Yes, last exercise we learned how to reduce the linear equations into simpler form. Yes, if we have one fraction on both the sides of equal sign, we should use which method? S cross multiplication method. We should use and reduce into simpler form of equation. All the 5 equations are same method because all the 5 equations are having fraction from both the sides. That also one fraction, right? Yes. So I will solve any 3 problems among the 5 problems in that 2 problems given to you homework. Yes, children? Yeah. Let's start the first equation. Solve the following equations. First equation 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equal to 2. Now left hand side the terms are in fraction form. So we'll write 2 in the form of fraction by putting 1 in the denominator. After that observe the terms, both the sides we are having 1 fraction. Yes, we'll use the cross multiplication method. Yes, first we'll multiply 1 into 8x minus 3. Two terms are the 8x minus 3, so put bracket equal to 2 into 3x. Yes, if we multiply 1 with any number, that number remains same. Therefore, 8x minus 3 right as it is. If we multiply 2 into 3x, we will get 6x. Yeah, the two are x terms. We'll transpose to left hand side. 6x becomes minus 6x. Then number minus 3 transpose to right hand side will become yes plus 3. That plus don't need of mentioning, just write 3. 8x minus 6x is 2x is equal to 3. Yeah, therefore x value is yes 3 by 2. When we bring 2 to the denominator, that is it is in multiplication. When we bring this, it will become division. Yes, copy down this. Next equation 9x upon 7 minus 6x equal to 15. Yeah, 15 will put denominator and convert in the form of fraction. Again both the sides one fraction, we will do cross multiplication. 9x into 1 is equal to 15 into, open the bracket and write inside the bracket the two terms like first problem. Okay, 7 minus 6x. Next 9x into 1 is 9x. Yeah, by 15 we should multiply both the terms. 15 into 7. First we will write in the form of product minus 15 into 6x. 9x equal to 15 sevens are 105. Yes. 15 into 6. Yes. Minus 15 into 6x minus 90x. Both are x terms. So 90x will shift to this. It will become plus. Yes. Following steps. Therefore x equal to, yeah, 99 take to the denominator. It will become division. Yeah, these two numbers we can cancel by yes 3. If we cancel 105 by 99 by 3, it will become numerator become 35, denominator become 33. Further we can't simplify, so 35 by 33 is the x value of this equation. Got it? Yeah, copy down. Yeah, copy down the solution. The numerator is 35 by 33. Third problem, third equation I will give as homework. Fourth equation, 3y plus 4 by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5. Again, both the sides unknown fraction, same method, cross multiplication. 5 into 3y plus 4 is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 6y. Yeah, both the sides we are having two terms, that means binomial. So we should put bracket and multiple, right? Yeah, 5 into 3 by 15 by 5 into 4 20 plus 20. Yeah, by minus 2 we should multiply both the terms. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, right? Then minus 2 into minus 6y, minus into minus become plus 12y. Now y terms we shift to left hand side and numbers will take to right hand side. Yeah, that time sign get changed. Minus 4 minus 20, minus 4 minus 20. Yeah, 15y minus 12y gives 3y is equal to both are negative, so we should add minus 24. Therefore, y is equal to minus 24 by 3. If we cancel by 3, we will get minus 8. Therefore, y equal to minus 8 is the solution of this given equation. Next, fifth equation also homework, the same method of fourth equation, right? Yes. Next, question number 6 is a word problem. Again, we are getting the age problem. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5 is to 7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3 is to 4. Find their present age. Yeah. First, they are given in the sentence present age in the ratio, right? Hari's and Harry's present age are in the ratio 5 is to 7. Whenever they are given in ratio, we should multiply that ratio with a factor x. Yeah. So, Hari's present age is 5x years. Harry's present age is 7x years. Next sentence, 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3 is to 4. It means that 4 years after, from now, 4 years after, their age will be 3 is to 4. Yes. Let the Hari's age, that is present age, equal to 5x. Right? Yeah, we should multiply with the common factor x. Similarly, Harry's age equal to 7x. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3 is to 4. Means 4 years after their ages given in the ratio 3 is to 4. How will write? First we will write after 4 years, Hari's age equal to the present age we should add 4. For example, at present your age is 10. If we add 4, after 4 years your age will be 14 years. Similarly for them, okay, Hari's age is 7x plus 4. To the present age we should add 4. According to question, after 4 years their age will be in the ratio 3 is to 4. Yeah. We'll write after 4 years age in the fraction form. Hari's age by Harry's age is given in the ratio 3 is to 4. We'll write in the form of fraction. Yeah, now we are having after 4 years ages. Hari's age is 5x plus 4. Harry's age is 7x plus 4. Yeah, write in the form of fraction. That is equal to 3 by 4. Yeah. Both the sides we are having again fraction form. We'll do the cross multiplication. 4 into 5x, 20x plus 4 into 4, 16 is equal to 3 into 7x, 21x plus 3 into 4, 21. All the terms are positive terms. Yeah, transpose the x terms to left hand side. 20x minus 21x equal to 12 minus 16. Yeah, what is the answer on the left hand side? minus 1x. That is write it x only. 12 minus 16 is minus 4. Both the sides negative we are having. So x equal to 4. How? Minus divided by minus gives plus. Yes, x equal to 4. Therefore, Harry's age equal to. We should find both the ages. Multiple that x value with 5. We will get Harry's age. Multiple the x value with 7. We will get Harry's age. 7 into 4 gives 28 years. 20 and 28 are present ages of Harry's and Harry's. Next, seventh question. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Yeah, rational numbers. We know that it is in the form of P by Q. It means it has numerator and denominator. About that one, it is given in the first line. Second line, if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1. The numerator obtained, that is not numerator children, that is number. Okay, you change it. The question you can copy down from the textbook. Okay, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. It is the question. We are going to find one rational number. About the numerator denominator, some information given. Using that, you will make equation and find the rational number. Yeah. See, as I said, rational number is equal to P by Q form. Let the numerator be x. Denominator is depends on numerator. How much it is greater? X 8 is greater. Therefore, denominator equal to x plus 8. Now, we can write the rational number x by x plus 8. Numerator by denominator. Now, according to the question, if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, yeah. Right now, we are having the rational number x by x plus 8. X is the numerator. To that, we should increase 17. That is, numerator plus 17 by denominator minus 1 is equal to, what is given? The new number will be obtained. What is that? 3 by 2. Got it? Yeah. Numerator is x plus 17. Denominator x plus 8 minus equal to again 3 by 2. Yeah. X plus 17 by x plus 8 minus 1 is 7. Got it? Equal to 3 by 2. Now again fraction form both the sides. Do cross multiplication. 2 into bracket, without fail should put bracket, otherwise you will get wrong answer. 3 into x plus 7. After putting bracket, both the terms you should multiply with the outside terms. That also you should remember. 2 into x 2x plus 2 into 17 34 is equal to 3x, sorry, 3 into x 3x plus 3 into 7 21. After that, you know the methods now. Transposing the variable terms to left hand side, numbers to right hand side. 2x minus 3x is equal to 21 minus 34. Yeah, 2x minus 3x gives minus 1x, that we will write minus x equal to 21 minus 34. Yeah, minus 13. Both the sides negative become positive. Therefore, x equal to 13 is the numerator. Right? Yes. Now we will find the denominator. What is denominator? Is 8 more than. So 13 plus 8 is 21. Right? Yeah. In that we should substitute the x value. 13 by 13 plus 8 is equal to 13 by 21 is our required rational number. Copy down, children. Yes, here are the homework for you. Third equation and fifth equation. Thank you.